We just arrived to the weekend market in Bangkok. It's called Chatuchak. It's so huge. Well, we're gonna explore today. Why not?
So many people recommend us to come here to Chatuchak, the biggest weekend market. So yeah, now we will explore and show you how it is. Shopping time.
Shopping time? Okay, but not too much, huh? Durians are not allowed in the metro, okay, Sayang?
Okay.
Alright, guys, anyway, it's a beautiful weather today. I was here once in my life, this is the second time. I'm gonna tell you, it's big. I mean, it's really big. One day probably we're gonna make a live stream here where you can enjoy, like maybe, I don't know, for 2 hours or something like that. But today we're gonna try to make a video shorter, like up to 20 minutes, so you're not gonna get bored too easily. Honey, by the way, they are next to each other, and behind us so many nice, sexy clothes. I think you should change your garderobe a little bit because we are in Thailand. Let me know in the comment section when you should wear something more sexy, huh?
My eyes is everywhere. I could not focus on the camera, sorry, but I will show you. This is the shopping mecca for the ladies and also the gentlemen. Regardless your age, from small kids until the older kids, everything is here.
Yeah, guys, if you don't like malls, come to the market. Just remember to set up the limit of spending here. Few words about the clothes. You can buy anything starting from the Chicago Bulls jersey for the basketball, hats, the Vans shoes, socks, t-shirts, the Butte, the Justin Bieber, everything. Dresses, kids shop, I mean everything. You can find in one market basically everything you want. That's unbelievable.
I see that there are so many shops also inside there. So let's see, probably there are so many things that, you know, choices for the nice dress.
Okay, let's have a look inside. Also there is the Coca-Cola shop here. This is very tempting. Coffee factory, you can buy the coffee and everything. Let's focus on the inside, what we can. And this is the name of the market, Chatuchak Weekend Market, just in case. Yeah, and obviously at the beginning we have clothes section, dresses and everything. Like this one, also the bags. These bags actually are popular in Asia. You can find them in Bali as well. Many things and many people actually. Even it's Chinese New Year right now, so some people going to different parts of the, of the city to celebrate. But the market is open at Sunday, where we are filming up to 6 o'clock. KFC T-shirt, and this is like a junction. One street there where the Sayang is going, and one street there. Be careful, don't get lost here. However, if you're gonna walk at the end, you're gonna arrive somewhere. And this, of course, the the Thai pajama dresses. I mean, the pants and t-shirts with the elephants, spices, bags. Wow, I mean, yeah, so much is going on. Also, the Mai Tai pants you can buy here. Also, Mai Tai in Thailand is very popular.
Wow, what a huge market, selling so many things here. Clothes, souvenirs, bag, shoes, sandals. So I think that all you can buy here.
Yeah, and this is like a central street, like on the middle of the market, and you can go everywhere actually. Okay, let's have a stroll a little bit around what we can find here. This is steel clothes section. They are also on the middle, some places to eat. However, well, not sure if it's why it's actually quiet, this place, particular one. However, at the front is the clock tower. Clock tower is the place when you get lost, you can always get to that clock tower and go in 4 different directions, which is actually pretty interesting in case if you get lost. And, well, that's the general situation of Chatuchak weekend market on Sunday at around 3:30 p.m. By the way, this market today will be closed at 6, so in 3 hours from now. We are walking on the street, but it's very hot actually, and the environment is a little bit changing. The guy is making himself the tattoo here already, and you can buy some watches here and stuff like this one. So we're now going inside. Have a look inside. Let's see what we can find here. Inside is always better because it's not that hot, obviously, right? Yeah. And then you can find the stuff like a dream catchers and the shoes and the decorations, like sunglasses, bracelets. Cool thing about this one is the many things having a fixed price. So like sunglasses, 50 bahts, 49, and that's the fixed price. So you don't need to get stresses you're gonna get scammed or something. That's actually cool. Also 50 bahts is very, very small amount of money, by the way. And the jeans and the trousers and pants and all of this stuff. So many things actually over here.
Wow, it's super hot. Well, basically this section is actually for the souvenirs, and yeah, just like behind me, bags, hat, and so many things like pillows also.
What do you think is big, isn't it?
Super big. If I, come here by myself, probably I already got lost.
Lucky you with me, so okay, let's explore, but you can get lost. And also everywhere on the middle there will be places to eat something. So this one behind me is very interesting. This is like a personalized leather cover for the passport. Many other influencers who are in Thailand, they're doing this like a merchandise. So let's say you want to do it in the future. If you would like to, for example, which is the, the monkeys cover for the passport with the, let's say, leather one with the monkeys metal thingy, the monkeys and your name, for example, something like that. So many people trying to pass it. Just cool idea. Maybe in the future, let me know in the comment section. We have to go because we are blocking the way. Winnie is looking for some nice stuff, but seems like not for her size. Sayang, not your size? Oh no, more walking and then we're gonna buy that's so many stuffs. Anyways, okay, let's go.
Wow, so they have a DJ performance here.
Yeah,
look.
there's like a party in the middle of the
Super cool. In the middle of market, you can still enjoy like you are in the restaurant with the live DJ performance.
Where is the DJ? Oh yeah, there is DJ actually. Check this out. Didn't realize that. Hold on, check this out. Yo, what's up? DJ here. Here we go.
Nice.
On the market. How
So
cool
nice.
is this? How you doing? Cheers. You see? So many happy people here, huh?
Yes.
Good.
Super cool.
Good vibes only.
And you see the number of international tourists coming here, so huge.
So huge. That's true. It's Thailand, baby. Bangkok, baby. People waiting in the long queues, for example, like for the ice creams. I'm gonna say this chocolate ice cream looks very tempting, but with the queue like this one. Okay, let's have a Coke there in the corner kiosk in the glass bottle.
Super hot outside, and you know what's Damian's favorite?
Thank you.
Coca-Cola.
Coke, but check this out in the glass bottle. Still, you can have it here in Thailand. How cool is this? And in the kiosk of Coca-Cola. Cheers. Coca-Cola not sponsoring this video. However, you know me, I like it so much, right?
This is so cute, isn't it?
So nice, isn't it?
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, that's pretty size.
Do you think you can fit, sayang?
I'm not sure. I should do more exercise.
More exercises. Oh, look at this crocodile. I nearly get scared. This is real actually because the guy was playing with you. So many actually cool stuffs here. Also, they have some ice here. I'm not sure what's the purpose. However, this is the map of the market. It's so huge. We are somewhere here. This is like a 50% of the market. So in the halfway. So as you can see, it's pretty crowded over here today. We are heading now in the sun direction, so we have to film more ourselves, obviously, because it's like a sun reflection. And yeah, people making pictures out of this. Pretty cool place, huh? And now is the section for the drinks, like coconuts, hello, ice creams and donuts. I mean, everything. Hello, Sadika. Oh, you have a juice for 30 bahts. That's for you. Healthy stuff for you, not healthy for me, huh? And check this out. What they are doing with these coconuts actually here. So cool, huh?
So the juice cost me around 30 baht, and it's so fresh. It's not a chill juice, but it's just like very fresh.
It's like a squeezed from the oranges, like with you can feel the pulps inside,
Yes,
yeah?
yes.
That's so cool, huh? 30
Nice.
bahts. And you can find, well, everything you want in this market. Seriously, guys, check this out. What's going on here? Also, there are some bars now, and I think we are heading more into the food section already. And yeah, people from all around the world here in Bangkok as well, huh?
Like I told you, I think that everybody who come to Bangkok, just for holiday, Chinese New Year holiday, or whatsoever holiday, must come here, especially on the weekend. Honey, you drink too much Coke, drink just lah. So fresh.
So nice. I recommend it. Very nice. That's what we're gonna do. maybe some snack, and let's go to the end of the market. It's still far to go. The interesting thing here is, as we are driving here in metro, obviously, 10 stations, I was reading about the market and about the Bangkok. Top 10 things what you should avoid in Bangkok as tourist. And number 8 position was this market, as you should totally avoid and don't come. Totally have no idea why it's like that and why people are writing such of stuff on the internet, right? What is to avoid here, right?
Yeah, probably maybe because avoiding the crowd, you know. Not many people like to be in the crowd of big cities, something like this. I don't know.
Yeah, but obviously if you don't like the crowds of the big cities, you can go to the islands, right? Like Koh Samui or Krabi or whatever. Why not? Find also some coffee here, of course, more clothes and stuff. Some drinks, some instant sticks, bags. Even they're selling the Chang's beer here in the esky box. Some baskets. So now it's already different little bit, different environment here. And I know at the end is the food. So everyone who are looking for food from this market, you have to wait for a while. We're gonna cover it at the end. But meanwhile, stuff like this one, also very cool indeed. So much is going on, so many options around. Also behind this is the mall of Chatuchak, by the way. Also here is very nice style with the spices, Thai spices, but the regular spices, you know what I mean? That's like no cannabis shops here. And yeah, that's how it looks pretty cool actually. And everywhere so many people buying many stuffs. Check this out, so cool. There is also some street artists here like this one. Here we go. He's sitting here on the middle and painting. That's actually cool. And yeah, many people actually making pictures of him as well. Also here, this shop, this guy over here have a really nice ceramics here indeed. Like I said, plenty of choices to have a look or to buy.
Honey, let's go there. I think that many things, nice thing there. I mean,
Okay.
very cute things.
Okay, let's have a look what is inside. Starting with the fruit section here, and actually yeah, many nice stuff here.
Like
Look at this porcelain, by the way, very nice. Just don't want to break something. It must be a little bit pricey, huh? Like this pot, 280 bahts. Nice, very nice. So many nice stuff. You can have a signs of Road 66 here. For example, if you would like to, beer sign maybe, perhaps. This is the passport thingy what I was talking about last time, of course. Flowers and other merchandises. And so many interesting stuff here. If you wanna see everything detailed from this market for a very long time, because it's so big and so much time to film this, I'm gonna do the live stream one day about this one, so you can watch it. Just let me know if you would like to be interested about stuff like this one.
so cute.
Very cute bags here, huh?
Yeah.
With the very nice colors and stuff like this one.
Yeah.
That's for sure. And some candles here and some lights and there's some materials as well. So much stuff. Actually the scarf, 100 bahts for one, just if you are already here.
So I bought this one because, you know, whenever we were in the train, I feel so cold. So yeah, rather than use a wearing hat inside the train, so that's why I bought this one. So nice quality, only 100 baht is about 40,000 rupiah. Nice material.
Next to us is also another very cozy bar, like a vibe with the live music, and you know, you can have a drink or something. Let's say your wife or partner wanna shopping and you are tired, you can grab the Chang or Leo, you know.
So you wanna grab your Leo and then let me shopping?
I already have my Coke. Alright, now is the food section. Also probably the busiest section on this market, by the way, at the same time. Also some live performance here. Check this out, this guy, he's playing. So cool actually, huh? Here we go. This is what I said to everyone who are staying till the end of today's video, till this moment. Now is your river to watching the street food here in Chatuchak market. Check this out. So much thing is going on. This is the squid eggs actually here. Also this Coca-Cola and coconuts are everywhere here. They have a coconuts like this one, the fresh one, the older one. And the cokes, and the guys so happy. Check this out. Everybody are happy here in Bangkok, no?
Yes.
Everybody, look at the sounds of the music. Check this out, what's going on. Okay. I will maybe make now the shot without much editing, more raw. so you can enjoy more clearly. And this is how it's gonna look during the live stream. Probably in the live stream I'm just gonna do it more slower. This is the fruits, what you can have it. Oh, this is like with the spices. This is like a ruja in Indonesia, right?
Yes.
The strawberries, they have it. You can buy also the fries with nuggets or something. This is like a little crabs, I think, here. This guy is selling the shawarma as well. Here you go. 80 for the chicken and 100 for the beef. Not so bad. Very cool. Mango sticky rice for 60 bahts, of course, must be. Some cold drinks with ice. Fruit smoothies here, like this ones. So much cool stuff. And you can get deep inside, and there is actually, you can eat there obviously, right? And that's the satay here, pork for only 15 baht. And just to give you point of view what's going on here, there all the seats are taken, and so many people here actually eating on the middle of the street, and everybody are going. And this is just the beginning of the street food. Street food actually here. Look at these fishes here actually on the plate. This lady is selling the mango sticky rice with the for 60 with the flour like this one. She's cutting like this one, and next to it she has satays also like this. So cool. You want a mango sticky rice? Yeah. Okay, just take it one.
So this one actually costs us around 60 baht, and this is how we eat this one. Just
Nice.
pour it on the top.
Mango sticky
Ooh,
rice.
look at the milk. So good.
And so much sounds everywhere around because so many people. Huh? So
Let's
cool.
try.
How it
Ooh,
looks
let's
like.
try.
Looks beautiful. Tastes the same. That's the rice. Try the mango lah. Fresh. Must be so nice,
So
huh?
nice. Fresh.
Okay, I will try. That's the big portion.
It's okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So good.
Very nice. Very nice. Also, one thing, I don't know why it's like that, but the mango in Thailand is actually very, very good. Probably the best mango in Southeast Asia actually in Thailand. At least in my personal opinion, because they are very nice, very sweet, no matter where you buy, always taste good. They also have a here fried pork like this one. Fried chicken looks tempting as well. And fried banana looks a little bit different than this one, fried banana in Indonesia. Thank you, hello. And this is the parking for the motorbikes in case. This is Korean corner here. Meanwhile, I just wanted to show you deep inside. Check this out, how many people are everywhere around. That's unbelievable, huh? And this, what is this juice? Flower tea, coconut juice.
I want to
lemon
have a
juice,
coconut.
and longan juice.
Coconut juice.
Okay, so Winnie is taking the coconut
Small
juice.
sugar. Yeah, stop. Yeah.
Small sugar.
So one thing about the ice in Thailand, they are totally safe. I mean that you don't need to worry about the ice because you will not feel something in your tummy. It's
And-
very safe, you know.
No Bangkok belly, huh?
No.
Okay, cool. This is how he's doing. He have many drinks. And boom and done, 25 bahts.
25 baht only.
So cool.
Kapan ka?
How it tastes? Good.
So fresh.
So Winnie is going with the healthy orange juice, coconut water, and me, as usual, non-healthy, which is the Coca-Cola kiosk over here. Or I could go with Leo as well. What is this one? Something cool, like a little crepes pancakes here or something so cool. Not sure what is this one. It costs 30 baht and looks like this one, like a little crepes.
Buying orange juice. Finally, after I insisted him to buy something healthy, not only Coke. 20 baht?
20 baht, thank you. Yeah.
You
It's
got it cheaper than mine before.
Yeah, I don't know, different style. There was 30, here is 20, so I don't know. It's
Oh,
like
that's
this one.
smaller.
But it's actually 20 baht, it's very affordable, isn't it?
Very cheap.
I will go with Coke, but you know, I try to also be a more healthy lifestyle in Thailand. I think it's time finally, right? I'm already 30, feeling too much sugar. Okay. The last thing here, what is very interesting is Thai ice, which looks like an ice cream, but Thai edition costs you 5 baht, as you can see, which is literally 15 cents US only. I just want to see how the lady is taking one and how does it look like. Like this one, actually cool.
The thing about the plastic here, you know, whenever we go shopping, you know, the seller just give you the plastic straight away, just like this.
But this one is actually make a purpose, it's actually handy, huh?
Yes. So one thing is that even though there are so many plastic given by the seller, but look at surround. It's very clean. I didn't see any plastic rubbish around. Okay, so one thing about this market, my first impression, this place is, crowded, packed of people. And one thing, even that it is crowded, packed of people, but we feel, convenient walking around because first, it's clean surrounding, not so many rubbish. And also, because maybe there are no motorbikes coming and passing by, that's why we feel convenient. So if you are tired walking around, this market is quite huge market, and at the end, I have a foot massage and reflexology here. Look.
So cool. See you tomorrow, guys.